Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Millar from Survey of the Bible, and I want to talk to you a little bit about assignment 415R. These are the assignment instructions for the life of David. I've seen a couple assignments be turned in already, and I've seen some consistencies with maybe a misunderstanding of the instructions, or maybe someone not reading fully through the rubric. So I thought I would address this before you get to it. You may not have gotten there yet, but it may be coming up soon. Let's take a look at the instructions. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm just going to highlight some things while I talk. This paper needs to be 300 words, at least 300 words, or it could be a 1 to 2 minute recorded video. Let's take a look at the content. I want to focus on a couple words here. Describing which archaeological discovery you think is the strongest evidence for the life of David and why. Okay, I'm going to focus on these words right here, and why. This will help you get, first of all, to the 300 words minimum, and it will satisfy the rubric by staying on the content and allow you to thoroughly express your ideas of what you learned. I'm going to skip down here to a very important part. Link your chosen finding to specific verses in the Bible that relate to either the people, places, or events mentioned in the archaeological discovery. All right. This does not mean to create a shareable link. This does not mean to create a clickable link where I can click on it and then it will take me to a website that has, or an online Bible. This means that you should make explain what some Bible verses that are relative to what you have already stated. So the content is describe which archaeological discovery you think is the strongest evidence for the life of David and why. And then you need to pick some Bible verses that support that. These are very important parts of the assignment instructions. And we'll talk about why now, because we're going to look at the rubric together. You can see identify Bible verses has a full marks of 35 points. If you don't include any Bible verses, then I have to mark off 35 points. So you can write the best paper. You can have the most supporting details, and you can have how this has impacted your life, and it can be just an awesomely written essay. And if you don't include Bible verses, the best score you can get is a 65. And we don't want you to get that. We want you to get a better score than that. The next one down says answer the question. So you need to stay on the topic. Clearly address the instructions and the questions about why you think it is the strongest evidence. Pick an archaeological discovery and stick on the topic of why you think it's the strongest evidence. If you would like to include how what you have learned has impacted your life, that's going to help you get to the 300 words, which is the next section in here. Contains written and description video. Written description is over 300 words, or the video is over 1 minute. That's going to help you get 20 more points. If it's not to 300 words, then I have to keep going down, down, down after the word count. And make sure you check for grammar and make sure there's not more than 1 or 2 errors. So if there are any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I will be happy to address them. I want to strongly encourage include 2 Bible verses and why you think that they are relative, and stick to the topic. I think if you do these things, you will get a terrific grade. I look forward to seeing all of your submissions, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.